Hi alle sammen, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to differentiate between da, when, and når, når, when in Norwegian. Norwegian language learners often grapple with the words da, and når, når, both of which translate to when in English. However, they are not interchangeable in their use. This guide will focus solely on differentiating between da, 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 and når, når in various contexts. The uses of da, da, da corresponds to the English when, but specifically in the past tense. It refers to a distinct moment or a period that has already occurred. The speaker uses da, da when recounting or referring to a past event. For instance, da jeg var liten, bodde jeg i Oslo. Da jeg var liten, bodde jeg i Oslo. Da jeg var liten, bodde jeg i Oslo. When I was young, I lived in Oslo. Hva gjorde du da det regnet? Hva gjorde du da det regnet? Hva gjorde du da det regnet? What did you do when it rained? The usage of når, når, når. Når, on the other hand, refers to any time frame, future, present, or habitual past. It aligns with the English when and also whenever. For example, når jeg drar til byen, tar jeg bussen. Når jeg drar til byen, tar jeg bussen. Når jeg drar til byen, tar jeg bussen. When I go to the city, I take the bus. This statement indicates a recurring or habitual action. Hva skal du gjøre når du er ferdig med skolen? Hva skal du gjøre når du er ferdig med skolen? Hva skal du gjøre når du er ferdig med skolen? What will you do when you finish school? This question refers to a future event. Når also features in direct and indirect questions meaning when. For instance, når kommer toget? Når kommer toget? Når kommer toget? When is the train coming? Jeg lurer på når bursdagen din er. Jeg lurer på når bursdagen din er. Jeg lurer på når bursdagen din er. I wonder when your birthday is. The key difference between da, and når in Norwegian lies in their time references. Da is used to discuss specific past moments or periods, while når can refer to actions or events in the future, present, or habitual past. Additionally, når is used in the context of questions. Understanding these differences will greatly enhance your fluency in the Norwegian language. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.